If crypto feels confusing, risky, or overwhelming, you're not alone. Most people jump in without a plan. Crypto Wealth Mastery fixes that. What this program does: it teaches you how crypto markets work, when to enter and exit, how to manage risk, how to build long-term wealth. Perfect for beginners. Who it's for: beginners, struggling investors, people who want clarity. Not for quick money seekers. Why I like it: simple structure, no hype, focus on decision making. You stop guessing and start understanding. Final verdict: if you're serious about crypto and want a clear roadmap, this is worth checking out. Click the link in the description to get access now.